Greetings everyone, I am your student meteorologist Ronnie Bucsok. Let's jump into the headlines here. So far we got ourselves a cold start to spring, but in Pennsylvania that's really nothing new. For the next day or so we could see some lingering snow flurries from that storm. It dumped about 5 inches of snow on us. And we are talking about a potential warm-up starting this weekend for Easter. So let's jump into our almanac. We'll get to that later. Yesterday we reached an official high of 35. Our low was 30, so not much difference there. On average, we get to about 60 degrees, which is a far cry from where we were yesterday. Again, nowhere near our record of 78 degrees set back in 2007, and a little bit far off of our record low set in 2001 of 12 degrees. A big story here is rainfall. We got about 0.62 inches of rainfall, which is the water equivalent of about 5 or 6 inches of snow that we got Sunday night into yesterday. Sunrise now at 7:12 a.m. and the sunset is at 7:38 p.m. Loving the daylight now. Looking at our local temperatures, fairly consistent throughout the entire region, 33 being a popular number in Wheeling, Canton, Cleveland, up in Meadville. Pittsburgh's 34. We swing out to our east. Martinsburg's 40 degrees. There's a warm spot. 28 in Johnstown, 36 out in State College. And if we look at our 24-hour temperature change, not much change in our region. If you look out to our east a little bit, we did see a little bit of a warm-up, but nothing too significant to really consider there. Now, if we look at our national temperatures, you can see very cold in the Midwest and into the Rockies. 24 in Great Falls, 15 in Rapid City, 21 in Denver, and even down south in Houston and in Oklahoma City, it's 45 and 31. It will warm up a bit with daytime heating since it is early yet. If we swing out to our east, 61 in Miami, 38 in Atlanta, 34 Pittsburgh, and 39 in Toronto. If we look at our national 24-hour temperature change, a bit of a warm-up here, which will hopefully be the trend for this weekend as this kind of moves towards us. As you can see out towards the east, not much change at all. It's been fairly consistent, about the 30s, especially in our region. Now, if we look at our U.S. radar and satellite, if you look out towards the west, not much going on, a little bit of clouds, some rain out in San Francisco. If you look towards our region, you can see some of the remnants of that storm that hit us on Sunday night, and even into parts of yesterday. And that will be affecting us for the next couple days. We could see a couple flurries from this from time to time, but not much in the way of accumulation. If we zoom in towards our area, there we go. You can see, again, heavier in some spots, especially towards the mountains. But for our region, if you look closely, you can see some of this. Actually, that'll be in our next on our next slide. Again, some snow, especially the higher elevations. Just a couple flurries for our region. And if you look at the regional radar, as I said before, you can see some of this starting to change over to a little bit of mix and some rain in lieu of the daytime heating. Now, if we go forward to our future cast, let me step aside here so you can see to the west, not much will be happening. You can see the remnants of the storm back to the east, slowly moving away, and not much in the way of precipitation over the next few days into this weekend, where we'll begin to see some peaks of sunshine. And if you look out towards the west, that could be a weather maker for early next week. Let's jump into our forecast for you. For today, 41 degrees, mostly cloudy, a slight chance of snow, nothing significant in the way of accumulations. For tonight, 29 degrees, mostly cloudy, which will be the trend for the next couple of days. And if we look into tomorrow, 39 degrees, cloudy again. Could see a little bit of breaking in the clouds, but that probably won't be until Thursday. So if we look into our 5-day forecast, Wednesday, some snow flurries, 40 degrees. Thursday is whenever we'll start to see some breaking in the clouds, especially later in the day, 39 degrees. And then nice weather begins. It'll start to, temperatures will start to increase, clouds will start to deteriorate. 45 degrees for Friday, Saturday 50 degrees, and for Sunday 52 degrees. I'm your student meteorologist, Ronnie Bucsok. Hope everyone has a wonderful Easter. Get out and enjoy those warm temperatures.